The wallet habit that makes you spend more. Have you ever wondered why your wallet is always empty, even though you swear you didn't buy anything expensive? You skip luxury items, you wait for sales, you even tell yourself you'll save money this month. But somehow, your money disappears. The truth is, it may not be your salary that's the problem. It could be one simple wallet habit that's quietly making you spend more every single day. And the worst part? Most people don't even realize they're doing it. Stay until the end because I'll also share a simple trick that can help you spend less without feeling deprived. The habit: carrying too much spending money. One of the biggest mistakes people make is carrying more money than they actually need. Whether it's cash in your wallet or a large amount sitting in your spending account, having easy access to money makes spending feel effortless. Think about it. If your wallet has $300 inside, buying a $20 snack, a random gadget, or another coffee doesn't seem like a big deal. You barely notice the money leaving. But if your wallet only has $40, you'll naturally pause before spending half of it. The amount of money you see influences your decisions more than you think. Your brain loves convenience. Our brains are designed to choose the easiest option. If spending money is easy, you'll spend more. No long thinking, no second guessing. Just tap your card, scan your phone, swipe. Done. Small purchases happen so quickly that your brain barely registers them. That's why many people remember buying one expensive item, but completely forget the 10 smaller purchases they made throughout the week. Those small purchases quietly add up. The coffee example. Let's imagine this. Every morning you buy a coffee for $6. It doesn't sound like much. $6 isn't expensive, but over 5 workdays, that's $30. In 1 month, around $120. Over 1 year, that's over $1,400, and that's only coffee. Now add snacks, food delivery, impulse purchases, subscription services. Suddenly thousands of dollars disappear without you noticing. The hidden trigger. I have enough money. There's another psychological trick happening. When people open their wallet and see lots of cash, their brain feels rich, even if they're not. This creates a false sense of financial comfort. You start saying things like, I can afford this. It's only $20. I'll save next paycheck. One purchase becomes another, then another, until payday arrives, and you're wondering where all your money went. The dangerous habit of loose change. Spending. Another wallet habit is treating small amounts of money like they don't matter. People often think, it's only $5. It's just 10. It's just spare change. But imagine spending $10 every day without planning to. That's $300 every month. Over a year, that's $3,600. Not because of one big mistake, but because of hundreds of tiny decisions. Financial problems are often created the same way wealth is built, little by little. Marketing knows this. Businesses understand human psychology better than most people realize. That's why stores place candy near the checkout. That's why apps suggest extra items before you pay. That's why online stores offer limited-time deals. They're counting on impulse. They know you're more likely to spend when buying is easy. The less time you spend thinking, the more likely you are to buy. The 24-hour rule. Here's a habit wealthy savers often use. Before buying something they don't truly need, they wait 24 hours. If they still want it tomorrow, then they consider buying it. Surprisingly, most impulse purchases disappear overnight because what felt urgent yesterday doesn't feel important today. Waiting creates space between emotion and decision. Separate spending money. One practical strategy is to divide your money into categories instead of carrying everything together. Keep separate amounts for daily expenses, bills, savings, emergency fund. When your spending money runs out, stop spending. Don't borrow from your savings. This creates healthy limits, and limits help build discipline. Ask yourself one question. Before every purchase, pause for 5 seconds and ask yourself, Am I buying this because I need it or because it's easy to buy? That one question can save you hundreds, even thousands of dollars over time. Remember, this saving money isn't about never enjoying life. It's about making intentional choices. It's perfectly okay to treat yourself, but don't let small, unconscious spending control your future. Money is a tool. Every dollar you keep today gives you more freedom tomorrow. The goal isn't to stop spending. The goal is to spend with purpose. Conclusion: your wallet isn't just a place to hold money. It shapes your spending habits. Carry only what you need. Think before every purchase. Give yourself time to decide. And remember, it's rarely one big purchase that keeps people broke. It's hundreds of small habits repeated every day. Change the habit, and your financial future can change too. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more videos about money, psychology, and smarter financial habits. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.